How to use the FootLogic's professional products in your pedicures. Massage formula. Once the pedicure is complete, massage your client's feet and lower legs with the non-occlusive FootLogic's massage formula. 2 to 3 pumps are sufficient for a 5 to 10 minute massage, after which the FootLogic's massage formula will be completely absorbed into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Clients will love the results, as their skin feels silky soft. Should you have any questions relating to the techniques shown or any other FootLogic's Pedicure products used, we welcome your inquiries.